Science and Technology Part 1, March 2023, Paper Solution by Arif Khan, Jalgaon. Question number 1A. Choose the correct alternative. The first question is the device used for producing current called dash dash. The right answer is D, a generator. If a ray of light passes from a denser medium to a rare medium in a straight line, the angle of incidence must be dash dash dash. Its right answer is option number A, 0 degree. The power of convex lens of focal length 20 cm is dash dash dash. Right answer option number A plus 0.50 diopter. Next question. Good conductor of electricity is dash dash dash. Right answer option number C, graphite. The height of medium Earth orbit above the surface of the Earth is dash dash dash. The right answer is option number D, 2500 km. Question number 1B. Answer the following. First question. Find the odd man out. Loudspeaker, microphone, electric motor, magnet. The odd man is magnet. Complete the correlation. रब्त पहचानिए या ताल्लुक जोड़िए. CuI2 brown, AgCl. Right answer is white. Match the pair. सही जोड़ी लगाइए. Substance, air, and its refractive index is 1.0003. State true or false. सही या गलत पहचानिए. Wavelength of red light is close to 700 nanometer. This is true sentence. Write the name of a small satellite made by a group of students from COEP sent to space through ISRO in 2016. Its answer is SWAM. Question 2A. Give scientific reason. साइंसी वजूहत बताइए या लिखिए. First question. For electric power transmission, copper or aluminum wire used? Answer A point. Copper and aluminum are good conductors of electricity. B point. Copper and aluminum have very low resistivity. Second question. Lemon or tamarind is used for cleaning copper vessels turn greenish. Answer A point. Copper undergoes oxidation in air to form black copper oxide. It reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat of copper carbonate. B point, lemon and tamarind contains acid which dissolves the green coating of basic copper carbonate. Next questions. Elements belonging to the same group have the same valency. See the reason. A point, the valency of an element is determined by the number of valence electrons in the outermost shell of an atom of an element. Next point, all the elements in a group have the same number of valence electrons. Question number 2b. Answer the following questions. How do we feel about air in each of the following conditions? Let us see first condition. Relative humidity is more than 60%. The answer is air is humid. B. Relative humidity is less than 60%. In this condition, air is dry. Next question. Complete the following reaction. C12H22O11 gives dash dash plus dash dash 12C plus 11H2O. Distinguish between mass and weight. Mass is amount of matter present in an object. Weight is the force with which the earth attracts the object. Next point. SI unit of mass is kg, means kilogram. SI unit of weight is Newton. Next question. Complete the following table. Types of satellite, the name of Indian satellite and launcher, navigational, look, satellite's name, IRNSS, launcher is PSLV, Earth observation satellite IRS and launcher PSLV. Next question is define periods and group of modern periodic table. Periods are the horizontal rows of periodic table and the groups are vertical columns of periodic table.